Hello, I'm Diana Ruth Briscoe with Bridges.Academy, and I'm so excited to be here with Joyce Gerber. She is an expert at the immune system. And the past couple years, I know that people have been confused. A lot of them haven't even acknowledged the immune system, and they've wondered if they're at the mercy of the environment and viruses, and there's been a learning curve on how to protect yourself, what we can do to actually empower our lives and our health so that we're able to have a strong immune system. And she is offering a class, Creating a Strong Immune System, the 3 pillars. And Joyce is a certified nutritional consultant, colon hydrotherapist, iridologist, herbologist, a licensed massage therapist, and she's a health practitioner, consultant, coach, educator, and speaker. And so I'm just so delighted to have you share with us, what can we do to have a strong immune system, and what are the 3 pillars?
So the 3 pillars, and thank you very much, Diana. The 3 pillars are basically detoxification, regenerative nutrition, and gut restoration. Those are the 3 things to focus on when we want to get well, stay well, or reverse dis-ease. And my goal in sharing this class with you is for you to really become an empowered body owner. Just like you know what to do with your car and you regularly take it in to change the filter and change the oil. Well, there are things that we can do on a daily basis, day after day, month after month, year after year, that will ensure that we have high levels of health and vitality, and that we have a strong immune system. And that's what I'm going to go into detail and depth about in this course that's going to be coming up soon. So that's what I wanted to share, Diana, with your people.
Thank you. I love this body, this idea of body owner, because many people, they seem to be at the mercy on what's been going on, and to have these tools to empower people, will they be able to have an idea on what to do next during these times?
And basically sending them home with an owner's manual for their bodies. And there are principles, there are common sense health principles. And then there's some things I'll be teaching that I know most of you might not know. So I enjoy empowering people. I enjoy sharing information that I know they don't have, that will make a difference in their lives.
Thank you. This is so needed, and I'm so excited. You all will want to look at the details along with this video. Look below this video with the course information to sign up, and you won't want to miss this course. And please sign up, and we look so forward to having you come and help us empower our lives. Thank you so much, Joyce.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.